G'day DIYs. This is why I always go on about having your architrave come out from your tile. Then you're able to just run down nicely and you've got a nice finish. Where's the squirty bottle? Then you run down there. Whooshka. It is way better. It is way better than having your tile flush with the architrave. You get a much better finish. Much better. Bring that down here. When you get that happen, what I just did, I put my paddle pop stick into the silicone and I didn't have any soapy water, so it's gone up both sides. You just get your paddle pop stick against your tile like that, and then on your floor bring out the hand tool and you're laughing. The painters are wanting to come in here so they can do their thing. They've been painting the inside of the house, walls and ceilings and doors and goodness knows what. A full paint job. This is their last port of call into this bathroom, so they're hanging out for me to finish, which I will be in a second do. They can bring in their drop sheets. I've just got to do around that niche. That's my very final piece of the action. See, that's a bit sloppy, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter how sloppy you are. DIYs, when you give it the magic soapy water, you're laughing. I've got to trim this door. That was the painter that popped his head in there. I don't think he realised that I was filming. So I'll trim this door down. It's just the way you have your pedal pop stick as well, DIYs. I'm not a fan of paper towels with, using paper towels to do my silicone, but if you like paper towels, use them. To wipe your pedal pop stick. Use your shirt just like I did then. I don't mind. But yeah, you try not to. Use your shirt or your shorts too much. Okay. Let's zap. Let's just zap around the niche and then I can move out. The painters can come in. A little bit of grout there. Get rid of that. Wipe your nozzle.